Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I cut 2 slices of bread. I cut 2 slices of bread.
I make hot chocolate for the children. I make hot chocolate for the children.
I sit down and eat my eggs. I sit down and eat my eggs.
I take the jam out of the refrigerator. I take the jam out of the refrigerator.
I spread jam on my bread. I spread jam on my bread.
I eat a banana with my breakfast. I eat a banana with my breakfast.
I pour milk into my cereal bowl. I pour milk into my cereal bowl.
I bring breakfast to the table on a tray. I bring breakfast to the table on a tray.
I clean the table after breakfast. I clean the table after breakfast.
It is 7:30. Time to go. It is 7:30. Time to go.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.